So, Carrie, thank you so much for joining me today. What was life really like before you found the Legacy Builders program?
Oh Lord. I was that stressed out, burnt out mom. I'm a single mom and raising my two kids on my own. I was trying to make a couple different businesses work on social media. I was failing miserably. I had to get a part-time job to bridge the gap, and I was always stressed about money. No to $6 Starbucks, no to getting the chicken nuggets, no to any extras. I just didn't have it. And I was done being broke. I was done being broke and stressing about money, but I didn't know what to do. I was already working a lot, like I was told to do. It just wasn't enough. I didn't want a job.
So, what did it feel like carrying everything on your own? Single mom, two kids. How did that feel?
Oh yeah, it's like, you wear like the heavy clothing and like you just constantly feel that weight no matter what. You're at home with your kids, but you're constantly not physically, you're not mentally there. You're always worrying, how am I going to pay this? I got this coming due. Wait, this is coming out, and always playing Jenga with bills and money. Yeah,
Mm,
it's heavy, very heavy.
yeah. So, when you first seen the Legacy Builders program, what were you worried about or unsure about?
Can I do it? I already tried. I already bought 8 other programs. I tried all these other strategies these gurus said. Can this really work? Can this really work? But when I saw 100% profit, I didn't have to build anything, because before everybody said I had to build my own websites, create my own programs. I'm like, I don't do tech. I'm in my 40s. Like, give me point and shoot. Let's go. Like, that's why I have Apple products. I just point and shoot. And when I got in here, I was like, holy crap. I'm getting like a $10,000 education for a bean and weenie budget that I got to do on a payment plan. And I have more in this space than I had with the other 30 grand I spent on 8 different programs and coaches.
Wow. Wow. So once you got inside our digital growth community and the Legacy Builders program, what was a wow factor for you?
For me, it was I get to go on live calls. I don't have to pay an extra $1,500 a month to be on these calls. You know what I mean? To have access to the creator. I get my questions directly answered. People were responding to comments I had. I could use the search bar and I could find the answer. Like, everything was literally there for me, and that was huge. Like, everything was literally at my fingertips. I just had to like push play and take action.
So what skills did you learn being inside the program that has made a really big difference?
The attraction marketing, like understanding how to create a piece of content or a video that literally just shares your story in a relatable way. So you're not DMing people, you're not getting on calls, you're not trying to find people. Like, because that's how I had to do it before. I had a direct message or get on calls to try to sell them my program. And I didn't know if they were even the right fit. So I wasted all this time. Whereas I literally created one post from this attraction marketing strategy you teach us in a mom's group in town, because I had stinking thinking when I started. I was like, what if it doesn't work? I need a backup plan. So I took the strategy, I posted in a mom's group about a cleaning business I didn't have. I literally had 14 people in my direct messages asking for services I haven't even started yet. But I'm like, I've been keeping house for 20 years. I can clean people's houses. Why not? Started a business with one post, and that brings in like 28 to 3,200 bucks a month, working 9 to maybe 12 hours a week from
That
one
is
post. One
awesome.
post.
Wow. So how have you made this all work with being a busy single mom?
Because I can literally fit it in the pockets of my day. Like, literally, like in my car before I maybe go to a client, I'm recording 2 or 3 videos. That's a day's content right there. Out walking the dog and I have an idea come to me. I pull up my phone, I record maybe 4 or 5 videos. Like, it fits, and I just edit when I'm sitting on the couch maybe, or you know what I mean? Like, any little spare time, I just quick edits, they're ready to go, schedule it out. It's time management, and I've had to be very, very good with that, as doing all the parts of raising kids and making the money.
So how has this changed the way you see yourself?
I know I can accomplish anything. Like, I still have big goals to achieve, but it's like I have the confidence now that I have these strategies, I have ways to help others. And it's allowed me to use the skills I've learned to help other business owners that I meet in person with their business. I'm like, oh, hey, have you tried this? Oh, I never thought about that. I'm like, yeah, it works really good. And that to me is better than any income. Being able to take what I've learned, how it's helped me and help another person, and give them that hands up, and be able to be like, hey, if you really want to learn, come in here. Right. Because I'm not the expert. Like, I learned this because I became a student, and anybody can do it. It just depends. You have to want it.
Wow, that's so good. So true. Become a student. Yes. So, what has been one of the first wins that made you feel like, okay, I'm on the right path?
Waking up on day 14 and I had a sale come in, a $900 sale. And I literally sat and I was mouth open. And if you know me in person, I'm an extrovert. I'm very talkative. I don't shut up. So to be like, holy crap. And then I started crying. And it wasn't from the money. I mean, I just 2 weeks prior to that, I had to borrow money from my son to move because I got hit with a bill I couldn't cover and it broke me. And to have that come in, I wasn't direct messaging. I wasn't on sales calls. I wasn't asking someone to buy from me. It literally came in from our automated system we were given that I didn't create. You did. You gave it to us, set it up, and it brought it in. And then I heard the Lord whisper, "This is my yoke, which is light and easy. This is what I've had for you all along." And so realizing it doesn't have to be hard. You could just be coachable, trust the process, and it freaking works.
So good. So, how has this impacted your life with your kids?
Oh my gosh, like I can go and get a $6 Starbucks and not be feel guilty because it came out of the grocery budget. I can go to the store and actually put what I want in the cart and I'm not mentally adding up how much it cost and holding my breath when I put my card in, the chip in to make sure it doesn't, not go through because I had other auto drafts come in. So that has been huge. I get to go to bed now and actually sleep instead of adding up, okay, how much money do I have coming in? Okay, I have this coming due, I have that coming due. If I have to change, that's where I was at. Constantly mental math of everything, trying to juggle.
Mm, yeah, the pressure's gone.
Oh my gosh, it's like night and day. And like I can take my kids places, I can chill. Like I'm here with you on a random, Wednesday at almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, my time. I don't have a boss. I don't have to, oh my gosh, I have to get back for my lunch break. I gotta go. I don't have that. And this has kept me learning these skills, being a part of the community and learning multiple streams of income. Like it's allowed me to have peace of mind because I'm not locked in to a job. I don't have to worry about if that business goes under and I'm out of a job. I have ways to stack income. So I always have income coming in from somewhere without having to clock in and leave my children and miss out on being mom.
So, what would you say to another single mom who's watching this right now who feels overwhelmed or who feels stuck?
If you want it bad enough, you can do this. Go borrow the freaking money. Go sell your TV. Go walk some dogs. Go babysit. Go clean a freaking house. I charge $60 an hour. Go clean a few houses a freaking month, and that will pay your payment plan. And make your first sale. You pay off your payment plan, and you're making profit from here on out.
So, what is one thing after being inside our community that has happened that you didn't expect to happen?
I think all the people that I've met, like virtually, and that they're regular 6 figure earners. Like I chat with Tim Hess, we text and we chat, it's like, it's regular people, but you can put people up here, like I'm talking to you, right? You've made multiple millions of dollars. Your mom, your grandma, we can put people up here and we think it's so unattainable. It's like, we're all just human. We're all just human. And then seeing that you are obviously a real person, you're like, well, I don't take calls. I'm sorry. You're not, that's not you. And being around like-minded people in this community, that's huge. You're always going to have people that are the naysayers. Oh, it doesn't work for me. Well, yeah. I mean, if it's not a good fit for you, it's not a good fit. It's not the program. It's just not your fit. Awesome. Now, find something else that works for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I love is we really have a great group of people that are here to win and want to see other people win.
Yeah, I love that. We definitely attract heart-centered people in our community.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
I love that. So what is one thing that you advice you would give to a single mom right now that is living paycheck to paycheck, is financially strapped? What is one piece of advice you would give her right now?
I would say this, do what you have to change your circumstances. And if that's something you can fit 5 minutes before you have to go to your job, 30 minutes on your lunch break, 30 minutes after your kids go to bed at night, maybe you have to sacrifice a little bit of sleep or short term with your kids and let them know, do it. Because if you sacrifice the short term, your long term is going to be exactly what you want. I mean, what if it only took you 90 days to replace your income? What if it took you 6 months and you replaced your income and you're making 3 times what you made at your 2 jobs and you never have to tell your kids no for a new pair of shoes that they need? You don't have to wear holey jeans anymore or holey shoes or holey underwear, because your kids come first. As a single mom, you sacrifice. You can change that, but you can't change it if you stay scared. You have to move forward.